Welcome to Fundamental Principles of Machine Learning. In today's rapidly evolving world, machine learning has moved from a complex concept to the engine driving modern business and technology. This course is your journey to understanding the magic under the hood. We'll start by decoding what machine learning truly is and explore its incredible real-world impact, from self-driving cars to smart recommendations. You'll discover the core workflow of any ML model, how we take raw data, clean it up, apply powerful algorithms, and make accurate predictions. We'll then dive into the three main pillars of machine learning: regression, for predicting how much; classification, for deciding which one; and clustering, for finding hidden patterns in vast data sets. Your journey to AI fluency starts here. Get ready to unlock the power of machine learning. Think of artificial intelligence as a big umbrella. Machine learning is the powerful engine working underneath it. Instead of a human writing every single rule, this engine looks at historical data to find its own patterns. This is a game changer for industries like manufacturing. Using predictive maintenance, we can listen to a machine's vibrations and predict a breakdown before it even happens. By learning from the past, machine learning helps us work smarter, reduce waste, and save money every single day. Building a machine learning model is a journey from raw data to smart predictions. It all starts with data preparation. Think of a spreadsheet where your features are the details you observe, like a house's size, and the label is the answer you want to predict, like its price. Since real-world data is often messy, we have to clean it by filling in missing values or handling outliers that don't fit the trend. Next, we apply the algorithm. Think of the algorithm as a math teacher that studies your data to find the perfect mathematical formula that connects your features to your labels. Finally, we reach inference. This is where the magic happens. We give our trained model new data it has never seen before, and it generates a prediction, which we call y-hat. The three pillars of machine learning. Machine learning is generally grouped into two worlds: supervised and unsupervised learning. Let's look at the three pillars that hold them up. Pillar 1, regression analysis. If you need to answer how much or how many, you use regression. For example, if you want to predict ticket prices, the algorithm plots historical data on a graph and draws a best fit line through the points. To see if the model is smart, we use metrics like R-squared. A score of 0.9 is excellent, meaning the model explains 90% of the data variation. Pillar 2, classification. When the question is which one, or is it A or B, you use classification. This can be binary, like sorting spam from real emails, or multi-class, like identifying different types of fruit. To check the model's performance, we use a confusion matrix. This table tracks our correct hits, like true positives, and our mistakes, like false positives, so we know exactly where to improve. Pillar 3, clustering. Finally, clustering is used to find hidden patterns in data that has no labels. Imagine having thousands of customers and wanting to group them automatically based on similar features. An algorithm like k-means does this by placing center points called centroids on a map. Data points join the group they are closest to, and the centers move until the groups find their natural balance. Now, let's take it to the next level with deep learning. This is a specialized version of machine learning inspired by the human brain, using multi-layered artificial neural networks. While standard machine learning works well with smaller data sets on a regular computer, deep learning is a different beast. It requires massive amounts of data and heavy-duty hardware like GPUs to handle its complex, multi-layered neurons. This is the incredible power behind image recognition and the chatbots that sound almost human. To wrap everything up, let's look at the big picture of machine learning, the engine driving modern business. What is machine learning? It is a branch of AI that focuses on data and patterns. Unlike traditional programming, ML allows a system to analyze historical data and make its own decisions without strict if-then rules. This has massive real-world impact. from predictive maintenance in factories to optimizing global supply chains. The model life cycle. Every model follows a specific journey. We start with data preparation, defining our features, the characteristics we observe, and our labels, the answers we want to predict. We then apply the algorithm to find the mathematical function that connects them. Finally, we use inference to give the model new data and produce a prediction known as Y hat. The three pillars. We categorize these models into three main pillars. Regression predicts numeric values, like ticket prices, using metrics like R-squared to measure smartness. Classification predicts categories, like sorting spam, and uses a confusion matrix to track accuracy. Clustering is unsupervised, using algorithms like k-means to find hidden patterns in unlabeled data. The next level, deep learning. For massive data and complex tasks like image recognition, we use deep learning. Inspired by the human brain, it uses deep neural networks and heavy-duty GPU hardware to solve the toughest problems. By mastering these principles, you are now equipped with the same tools used by the world's leading data scientists. I've put together a comprehensive set of machine learning summary notes that condense everything we've covered, from the three pillars to the model lifecycle, into one easy-to-read guide. It's the perfect cheat sheet for your final review. To get your copy, just click the link in the description or head over to our website to sign up for our newsletter. Join a community of learners mastering the magic under the hood of AI. Sign up now, and let's build something smart together.